customer satisfaction is worthless. Customer loyalty is priceless.
Okay, so you guys will follow up on that. Super. Hi, I'm John Dixon. Welcome to Auto Loyalty. Our tagline is the best customer is the one you already have. We have 3 divisions. Auto Sales Events, which does staffed private sales with many unique features. We partnered with Shift Marketing Studio with their cross-media marketing campaign called the Upgrade Sale to help give the dealers options to market to their customers in different ways. And we have the See It Now personalized video program that allows the dealer to do personalized videos in both service and sales that help you stand out from the competition. Let us show you how they can work for you.